Cross River State House of Assembly stance on Bakassi Indigenous leaders' petition draws strong condemnation. Welcome to Akai Update. My name is Joseph Iyaji. In a highly contentious development, Chief Okoin Obono Obla, legal counsel to the indigenous displaced people of Bakassi communities, has vehemently criticized the Cross River State House of Assembly for its recent resolution targeting Chief Aboni Iyadi, former chairman of Bakassi local government area, and other Bakassi leaders. The Assembly had accused Iyadi of treasonable felony and threatened his arrest, alongside other community leaders, for submitting a petition to President Bola Tinubu outlining their grievances and demands. Obono Obla, in a sharply worded rebuttal, condemned the Assembly's petition as outrageous and inconceivable, arguing that the petition was a legitimate attempt to address the long-standing marginalization and neglect faced by the indigenous people of Bakassi. He clarified that the core issue raised by the Bakassi leaders revolves around the alleged misappropriation of their local government allocation, which are reportedly funneled to Akpabio local government area instead of being utilized for the development of Bakassi communities. This, he emphasized, has rendered Bakassi local government an appendage of Akpabio, exacerbating the suffering of the displaced population. The legal counsel further accused the Assembly of distorting the intent of the petition, which seeks redress for the displaced Bakassi people, and warned that history will judge the legislative body harshly if it fails to reverse its stance. We urge the House to stand in solidarity with the helpless displaced people of Bakassi, Obono Obla stated, underscoring the moral imperative of the Assembly to align itself with the plight of the marginalized community. Contrary to claims by the Assembly, Obono Obla clarified that the petition is not exclusively focused on delisting Bakassi local government from the Constitution, but rather on securing justice and equitable treatment for the indigenous people of Bakassi. The Assembly's resolution, he argued, reflects a troubling disregard for the legitimate concern of a community that has endured decades of displacement and neglect. This unfolding controversy highlights the deepening tension between the Bakassi indigenous leaders and the Cross River State government, raises critical questions about governance, accountability, and the protection of minority rights in Nigeria. The Assembly's heavy-handed response to the petition has drawn widespread criticism, with observers warning that such action risks further alienating an already vulnerable population. As the debate intensifies, the Cross River State House of Assembly faces mounting pressure to reconsider its position and engage constructively with the Bakassi leaders to address their grievances. Failure to do so could not only perpetuate the marginalization of the Bakassi people, but also tarnish the Assembly's credibility as a representative institution. The situation demands urgent and principled intervention to ensure that justice and equity prevail for the indigenous displaced people of Bakassi. Thank you for joining me in this segment. My name is Joseph Iyaji, and please don't forget that intensive tutorial for students preparing for WAEC, NECO, GCE, JAM, and pre-degree entrance examination is currently in progress at Akai Tutors Ile-Ife. Should you are interested, accommodation is also available for students who are not Ife residents at a bearable cost. Call the management of Akai Tutors on 080 38 644 328. Thank you.